Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a QR code for your wireless network. So this can be very handy in businesses, or if you have a Airbnb or VRBO, you can create this, make it easy for your guests to connect to Wi-Fi. So what we're going to do is go to qrcode-tiger.com, see up here at the top, and we're going to click on Wi-Fi right here. And then what you're going to do here is you're going to select your encryption type. Now, most likely you're probably using WPA. If you're not using WPA, you probably should be. It's the latest, best encryption method for wireless. So we're going to choose that. Here is where you put your wireless name. So if your wireless name of your network is, wireless network, that's where you'll put the name. Now this will have to match exactly. So if you have capitals or underscores or spaces or something, you need to type it exactly how it is on your network. And then you'll just put the password here. So you can make it as complex as you need. Whatever your current password is for your wireless, you'll just put that there. So, and then you'll just hit generate QR code. As you can see, there's your QR code. And you want to test this, make sure it works. But then you just download it. You can print it. You can hang it on the wall, stick it on a magnet on the fridge, or anything like that to make it easy for your guests to connect to wireless. You can pretty it up a little bit here if you want to. If you want to add a little wireless logo in the middle, if you want to add a little frame. See, it says scan me there. You can change that. You can Wi-Fi access. There you go. So you can do that and then save it, print it, hang it. Now if you do change your password, so if you change it monthly or yearly, or how often you change it, you will need to come here and generate a new one, and then swap it out, hang the new QR code on the wall or on the fridge or something. So, but this is how you create a QR code for your wireless network, and hope this helped. Thanks. See ya.